Hey YouTube, today we're going to take a look at this Ninja Foodi Air Fryer. It's brand new in the box. We just got this for Christmas this year and we thought we'd take a look at it, do a quick unboxing of it. So let's get to it. Just looking at the packaging, it's pretty good. Inside the box there should be a pressure release valve on the pressure lid, a reversible rack, a cooker and crisper basket, crisping lid, cooking pot, and some sort of safety in here. Let's open it up and see what comes in. Before I open it up, just looking at some of the things that this thing could do. It's like tacos, risotto, chili, pulled pork fries, that's good. You could do some steamed stuff, some fried chicken wings, and fried chicken. That's what we really want, right? Let's open it up and see what's in it. We have the instructions, which this is actually pretty heavy. Styrofoam, of course. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. And the cooker itself. Here we have some more packing material. Here's this little basket. More packing material. Another pot in there. We have here this reversible rack. This rack. And I believe this last little piece here is the lid. This is the pressure cooking lid. Yep, because this is the pressure cooking lid, because here's the little weight that seals on top of the pressure cooking lid right here. So this is everything that comes with this thing. You put this little weight on here that either seals or vents the pressure cooking lid, and there's a safety right there to release the pressure if it gets too high. There's some instructions on the top that tells you how to lock this thing in and align the arrows on it. So in the instruction packet, there is a owner's guide. Tells you how to go ahead and use this thing, things to do and things not to do. There's a whole list, 61 items of do's and do nots with this device. And it gives a parts list as well as some accessories that you could buy. You could buy a multi-level rack system, baking pans. You could bake in here too, and just all the instructions on how to get this going. In the instructions also is a cookbook, and I haven't opened this yet, but it has tons of recipes in here. Oh my gosh! And I just looked at this short rib recipe. Man, there's a whole lot of stuff in here. Potatoes, you name it. And there's a quick reference guide here on getting to know the foodie, all different parts, the different lids that come with it, as well as some basic instructions on how to get started, and a quick cheat sheet on how long to cook certain things in here. I hope you liked this video. This is just a quick unboxing and a first look at this Ninja Foodi. The next time you see this, we're gonna actually use it and show you making a few things. I hope you like this video. Please hit the subscribe button and we'll see you on the next time.